Good morning to all of you, respected director ma'am, principal, teachers, and my all dear friends. Myself Anjali Anand from class 8. Today I am here to present speech, and my topic is Fundamental Duties in India, Article 51A. The 42nd Amendment Act 1976 added 10 fundamental duties to the Indian Constitution, and the 86th Amendment in 2002 later added 11th fundamental duties to the list. It shall be the duty of every citizen of India, first duty, to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideal and institution, the national flag and the national anthem. Second duty, to cherish and follow the noble ideals which inspired our national struggle for freedom. Third duty, to hold and protect sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. Fourth duty, to defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so. Fifth duty, promote harmony, the spirit of common brotherhood amongst all the people of India, transcending religious, linguistic, regional or sectional diversities, and to renounce practices derogatory to the dignity of women. Sixth duties, to value and preserve the rich heritage of the country's composite culture. Seventh duties, to protect and improve the natural environment, including forests, lakes, rivers, and wildlife, and to have compassion for living creatures. Eighth duty, develop scientific temper, humanism, and the spirit of inquiry and reform. Ninth duties, to safeguard public property and to abjure violence. Tenth duties, to strive towards excellence in all spheres of individuals and collective activities so that the nation constantly rises to higher level of endeavor and achievement. And the last duty, to provide opportunity for education to his child or ward between the age of 6 and 14 years. This duty was added by 86th Constitutional Amendment Act 2002. Thank you.
Speech from class 4.